Hello everybody, Kevin here. So I have some new updates to Blocktanks that I really want to show you guys. You're going to see that the title screen is still the same, but I've actually added a lobby room. So there's a lobby full of games, and what it's doing is it's actually pulling games from a different server. This is really cool because what it means is that the game will basically be scalable. So I'll be able to have a bunch of different servers all hosting games, so as more people join and play the game, then I can just create new servers with games on them, and they'll connect automatically back to the main server, and then the user will be able to see every single game that's running and connect to any single one of them. So back to the lobby, I'm actually going to show you guys what it looks like when you connect to one of these games, because it's pretty cool. So I'm going to go ahead and connect to the original map. It just kind of goes like that for a second, and then it puts you in the game. I can move around just like any other game. And there's no one else online. But you'll notice that as I go, if I were a different user, so I'm going to open up a new tab. Now I have all of these games, but it looks like someone has joined this game. So if I go here, so I can actually see this guy, and he can see me. But if I go to another tab, and I pretend to be a third player, now it shows that this game is full, so I can't join that one, but I can join another one. And it's like a completely different room, so it's really cool. It's just a completely different, area. The two same people aren't on there. And so this is kind of cool because I can control the amount of people per game and kind of have different matches. I can have 2 people to a server, 10 people to a server. There's quite a bit of potential for this. The next thing I wanted to show you guys was a really cool map editor that I made. And it's an easy way to make maps for Blocktanks. And how it works is you can left click to put down a wall, but it starts you out with all walls. So right click is erase. So you can erase walls like this, and you just hold it down. And then left click allows you to place walls. And then if you press R, it switches to roofs, so you can add roofs, the things that you can hide under in the game. So I'll just make a quick little map. We can put power-ups like this, so this is showing that a power-up is going to hide under that roof. And then you can just put power-ups right here, for example, maybe one right here. And the new thing is you can now, if you press 1, you can add places where the red team can spawn. And if you press 2, you can add the places where the blue team spawns. So now this will help a little bit with spawn killing because it's going to be a little bit different now. Instead of spawning in just one place, you can spawn in any of these places. Basically, when I hit enter, it gives me a big long list of data right here, and that's actually the map data. So now I've changed the settings a little bit to show that test map, so I'm actually going to go ahead and connect to that. Okay, so cool. Now you can see that it basically imported everything exactly how it was supposed to. Everything works great. And the power-ups appear here under the roofs and then where I put them. And then if you notice, I spawned at this area. But that would be different if I were, like if I respawn. So it might spawn me over here next time. So yeah, I'm really excited about this map editor and the lobby. It's really brought a lot more to Blocktanks in my opinion. If you're interested in editing a map or making a map that could possibly be on Blocktanks, let me know in the comments or send an email to kevin@blocktanks.net and just let me know that you want the program and I can send it over to you. And yeah, that's about it for this update. Thanks for watching and be sure to stay tuned. Once again, the final release date is July 9th. So that's when you will get to actually play all this for the first time. And yeah, thank you very much for watching.